Okay, okay.
Pwede mo lagyan ng back out.
So here's the exciting part. Red against beige. Hindi, bakit malungkot ka? Dapat financing. Dapat mag-smile-smile ka. Kasi walang delivery mamaya. Team White versus Team Beige. Congrats, you guys reached championship.
Take advantage, high.
Jericho, we save, jump ball. Ball is recovered by Morris. Morris do the ball. Pass to Brian. Brian do the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Howell. Pass to Oxford for 2. No good. Rebound by Jericho Tamayo. Special shout out to Philip Cook. And it's back. 12 seconds to shoot. Ball still in favor of Team Red. Brian for steal. Pass to Morris. Morris going to the other side. Morris pass to Brian for the it's good. And there's a foul. Foul number 7, Amir. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw coming up for Brian Pahara. Special shout out to Rodman ng Iwan. Bonus throw is good. Jericho Tamayo, pass to Amir. Amir, to the ball. Looking for a play. Pass to GJ, pass to Glenn. Glenn going inside for them, is blocked. Brian from the rebound, pass to Morris. Morris for the rebound. Let's go! 2 points for Morris is good. Foul number 21, GJ Panier. First team foul, first personal foul, second team foul. Time out, Team Red. Oh, balik pa rin sa raffle. In the beginning. But who's going to win? Paraffle tayo, paraffle. We have Jerome. Jerome, saan si Jerome? Referee. Congrats. Wala, basta. Another, last.
Nalagyan na nga
Wait, last.
Lagyan mo, boom. Coach B.
Now we know your Fico. Is Philip here? Philip! Panalo ka. Panalo ka ng bag. Sige. Howell to the ball. 10-second shot clock. Pass to Morris. And what's the score of? 5-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. Morris pass to Brian. For the left. No good. And then on the shot clock. One finger, Team Red. Dito. Philip. Sobrang ano ka.
Ay, thank you.
Morris is the ball. Pass to Brian. Pass to Morris. Take the shoot. Pass to Howell.
Nice D!
Howell to the fire. Pass to Oscar. Pass to Ponce. Pass to Morris. Pass to Howell for 3. Over. Rebound by Ashford. Pass to Howell. Pass to Brian. 10-second shot clock. Brian looking for his time. Brian for 3. Bang!
3 points for Brian.
First personal foul. First team foul. Jericho tumayo yung ibang pass to Amir. Amir pass to Glenn. Glenn for the crossover. Pass to Gigi, pass to Moon. Pass to Glenn, pass to Amir. Pass to Gigi. Gigi pass to Amir for the layup. Let's go! Morris with the ball. Pass to Brian for the post up. Brian for two, no pass to Ponce for two. Block by Jericho. Ponce for two, no good. Gigi for the rebound. Recovered by Jericho Tamayo. Makes the ball. And what's the call? It's lifting violation. Called by the referee. Ball in favor of Team Beach. Looking for a second, Morris on the shot tree, no, pass to Ponce, pass to Morris, Morris going inside, and it's foul! Afatay, bakit ganun? Who's foul, ref? 28? Who's? 28 Glenn, first personal foul, 13 foul. Morris naman pass to Owen, Owen pass to Asmon. 10-second shot clock. Asmon for two, no good, rebound to Ryan. Jericho going to the other side. Jericho lost the ball. Sullivan Myers pass to Brian. Brian with the ball. Pass to Myers and there is what's the corner? Number 11, pushing foul. First personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for penalty. Morris, inbound pass to Brian. Brian going inside. Stay by Jericho. Jericho, stolen back by Owen. Owen for the layup. Air ball. Ball in favor of Team Red. Score 8 against 4 in favor of Team H. Then give the ball. Pass to Moon. Moon pass back to Glenn. 14-second shot clock. Pass to GJ. 4-3. No good. Leave away Ponce. Pass to Owen. Owen going to the other side. Pass to Brian. 12-second shot clock. Brian looking for a play. Brian isolating. Brian pass to Oscar. Pass to Ponce. Ponce pass to Owen. Amir pass to him. Going to the other side. Glenn for three. Let's get back to the intense ball game. DJ, what happened? Morris, inbound pass to Brian. Brian, drift the ball. Long three. And the ball is still in favor of Team White. Good gameplay by Morris. Morris, long pass to Brian. Pass to Owen. Last 18 seconds to shoot. 5 for 3. Air ball. 2 minutes and 30 seconds time remaining. Glenn, now pass to Amir. Pass to Moon. Moon for 3. No good. Rebound by Gigi. Gigi pass to Glenn. Glenn pass to Gigi for the layup. No good. Asper for the rebound. Pass to Brian. foul. GG. Second personal foul. Penalty. Second personal foul for GJ. Penalty. 2 free throws coming up for Brian Pahara. First throw.
Rebound!
Yes, good. First throw is good. Shooter. Second free throw. Last throw for Brian. Is good. Last 1 minute time remaining in the first quarter. Amir to the ball. Amir for the crossover. Amir pass to Glenn. Oh, what a crossover! Number 3, Nogo! Rebound by Janino Tamayo. Janino back. Janino is back. What's the foul, ref? Foul? Foul number 29. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for Janino Tamayo. Oh my God, what a crossover by Glenn. First free throw. Yeah. 20 seconds. First free throw coming up. Second free throw coming up for Jericho is good. All-star period. 7 seconds. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Run for 3.
End of the... Nice one!
End of the first quarter. Score 10 against 9. In favor of Team
Rapol. Magsubol.
Beach.
Rapol daw. Magsubol. Magsubol? Wala po kami masusuot. Mag-add ka ng magsumbol. Kasi meron yung video. Meron na. Meron na. Yung mga pileto mo.
One at the 10th game. Only Team Beach is leading by 1. Let's start the second quarter. Mamaya Raffle. Team White and Team Beach and Team Red. Please who you want out. Morris out. Morris in. Okay, let's get back to the ball game.
Dapat ang picture yan, si Wilson sa kayo.
Ryan, rebound pass to Robert. My idol, pang main event. Robert pass to Leonard for 2. No good. And who's more referee? The ball is still in favor of Team Red. Denver pass to Robert. Robert for 2. No good. Rebound by Joe. Joe pass to Denver for 3. Bang! 3 points for Joe of Denver. Score 12 against 10 in favor of Team Red. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 8. First personal foul.
Hey, number 13.
Number 13? Number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Ethan, inbound pass to Ram. Ram crossover. For 2. No good. Rebound by Frank. Frank for 3. No good. Rebound by Robert. Robert for the crossover. Jump up again. Robert going to the other side. Pass to Ryan for 2. No good. Rebound by Ethan. What's the call, ref?
Number 20.
Foul number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ball in favor of Team Beach. Pass to Frank. Frank to the ball. Frank going inside. And the ball is still in favor of Team Beach. 14 seconds to shoot. Frank pass to Ram. Number 20, second personal foul. 13 foul. 2 feeters coming up for Francia. Special shout out to Miggy, Roach, and Joey. It is good. First one is good. Second goal. There's no good. The ball is still in favor of Team Page. Pass to Darren. Darren for 3. No good. Robert going to the other side. Robert over the ball. Robert pass to number 2. Let's go! Ryan took the ball. Run pass to Monas for 3. No good. Before the front. Frank is hardly defended. Pass to run for 2. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Pass to Leo. Leo took the ball. Pass to Joe. Joe going inside for Leo. Let's go! Team 1. Score 16 against 11 in favor of Team Red. Who is going to win?
Mali sila kasi puro nag-press. Sila puro nasa sulod.
Saka dapat ang pula. Kada rebound lang, walang magpapadali. Hawak lang, patay nila sa oras.
Saya man dito dito. Saya man dito dito. Kasi ate. Ate lang.
Let's get back to the ball game. Ball is in favor of Team Beach. Last 5 minutes and 10 seconds to play on the second quarter. Morris pass to Gavin. Gavin for the teardrop. He got by Robert. Robert long pass to Denver. Denver pass back to Robert. Robert for the crossover. Robert pass to Joe. Boy! What a nice bang! 2 points for Jordan. Morris dribbling the ball. Morris looking for initiate. 30 seconds remaining. Frank going inside, pass to Rob. Rob for 3. No good. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 69, got in. First personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul. First team foul. Ball in favor of Team Red. Leo pass to Robert. Robert, the main event, dribbling the ball. Robert pass to Denver. Denver for 3. No good. Recovered by Jonathan. 10-second shot clock. The ball is still in favor of Team Red. 9 seconds to shoot. Joe pass to Robert. On main event now. Robert for 3. Ball in favor of Team Beach. Got it, rebound pass to Morris, pass to Frank. Frank took the ball. Going inside for 2. Let's go! 2 points for Frank, let's go! Robert pass to Leo, pass back to Robert. Robert took the ball. Last 3 minutes and 12 seconds, time remaining. Ryan pass to Robert, pass to Joe. Joe pass to Leo, 10 seconds to shoot. Denver ace ball! And the ball is still in favor of Team Red. 7 seconds, shot clock, 7 seconds. Ryan now pass to Robert, and the ball is stolen. Rebound right high. 5 seconds to shoot, 3 seconds to shoot, 2 seconds to shoot. Ball is stolen. Long pass to Morris for the air. Let's go. 2 points Acknowledge timeout. Acknowledge timeout. Joe going inside for the left. No good. From the body. Pushing. Timeout, Team Red. Timeout again. Third personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. What an intense game. 18 against 15.
Sir Ryan, tatlo ka na.
Kaya Ryan.
Number 20. 3 fouls.
Three fouls. Let's get back to the ball game.
Pag-sunod itong number 11 dyan. Yung ano, di ba? Yung sa pula.
Ground to the ball. Inbound pass by Morris. Pass to the front. Oy! It's out. Ball to the team. Red. Robert to the ball. 2 minutes. Time remaining in the second quarter. Robert for 3. No good. Rebound by Ethan. Pass to Ram. Ball pass to Gordon. Gordon pass to Morris. 14-second shot clock. Pass to Ethan for 3. No, it's pass to Ram. 2 points for Ram is good. Leo to the ball. Leo pass to Ryan. Ryan pass back to Leo. Pass back to Robert. Pass to Leo. Pass to Joe. Pass to Denver. Denver for Teresa. Foul. Foul number 69. Second personal foul. 2 free throws coming up for Denver Valentino. First round. Very good. Logan. Ball is in the team page. Please give the ball to the referee for proper rebound. Ethan pass to Morris. 30 seconds time remaining. 18 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Offensive foul! 9 seconds time remaining. 8 seconds. Bossing the line. 2 seconds. Wala. End of the second quarter. Score 19 against 17 in favor of Team Red.
Naka-establish.
Guys, kalma lang.
Saan ka nag-score? Dali kayo din eh. Inumin mo na. Meron na ako din eh. Ito ka pa.
Mr. Banjam. Let's get back to the ball game. We're halfway there. This is the third quarter. Who's call ref? What? Team bench, team bench. Ball of team bench. Team bench.
Bro, you still have one? Give me one. No, this. In the plastic of wrap.
Brian pass to Darren. Darren pass back to Brian. Brian for 3. No good. Recovered by Ponce. Recovered by Darren. Darren for the layup. No good. Batting by pass to Brian. Brian looking for his team. Going ISO. 1 for 3. No good. Oi! Foul ref. Foul number 10.
First personal foul.
Gentlemen, first personal foul.
First team
First
foul.
team foul. Ponce pass to Frank. Frank for 3. No, nagpapalabas Jericho Tamayo. Jericho pass to Robert, pass to Joe. Joe for 2, no good. Joe line. There's a foul. Foul number 69. Third personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Jonathan. Joe first goal, no good. Last goal. Ponce pass to Brian. Brian to the ball. Brian pass to Fred. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Jericho Tamayo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Ponce pass to Ran. TV for 3. No good. Number champion. Pass to Jericho. Jericho pass to Joe. Joe, hit the ball, going to the other side. Joe pass to Amir. Pass to Joe. Next shot. Frank hit the ball, going to the other side. Frank, and there's a foul. Number 13.
Second.
Robert, second personal foul.
Third team foul.
Third team foul. 2 free throws coming out from Francia. Good up now. First goal. No good. Second free throw is good for Francia. Pass to Amir. Amir to the ball. Pass to Joe. Joe pass to Jericho Tamayo.
10 seconds.
Oh, and there's a traveling violation called by the referee. Sub, ref, sub. Sub. Already 5 minutes. Draw pass to Ponce for 2. Rebound by Robert. Robert to the ball. Robert going inside. Oh, and there's a foul. Offensive foul. Number is out. There's a foul. Pocket foul. Substitution. Fourth personal foul for Darren. Second team foul. Holding foul. Robert England pass to his brother. Pass back to his brother. Pass to Mo. We're 4-3. No good. Ito ay Ponce. Pass to Monas. Traveling violation called by the referee. Pass to Mo. Mo pass it back. And the ball is lost. Ball is in favor of Team Bench. Brian Brian, rebound pass to Morris. Morris with the ball. Morris pass to Brian. Brian pass to front. Over to Brian. And an extra free throw. Who's fouling? Number 11. Move. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Basket count.
Kapag shot red, time out ha. Team red. Rebound by Robert. Robert running. Robert on the side. Robert for the lead. Time out. Number 28. Time out. Time out, Team Red.
Foul sa number 20.
Ref. Penalty na. Oscar. Free throws, 2 free throws, penalty na. Score 22 against 20 in favor of Team Red. 2 free throws coming up for Brian Para. First round. Counter. Last round. Let's go! 2 points for Brian Scoop. Pass to Jericho. Jericho dribbled the ball. Ball was stolen, and the ball is still in favor of Team Red. Pass to Joe. Joe pass. Go for 3. Very good. Traveling violation called by the referee. Time remaining 1 minute and 23 seconds. One pass to Brian. Good fade for 2. Robert. Robert Joe. Joe pass to Robert. Robert to the ball. And there's a foul. Who's foul left? Number 15.
First personal
First
foul.
personal foul. Third team foul. Ball favor is ball still in favor of Team Red. No. Third foul. Third team foul. Jeremy pass to Robert. Pass to Joe. Joe to Stoker. And there's a foul. Foul number 4. Run. Warning for penalty. Sub ref. Leader.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First personal foul?
Last 25 seconds. First goal is good for Jacob Amaya.
15 seconds.
15 seconds time remaining. Last goal. No goal. Rebound by Ponce. 5 seconds time remaining. 2 seconds. End of the ball game. End of the third quarter pala. Gulat sila. End of the third quarter. Score 23 against 22 in favor of Team Red.
Talaga ni Kagagin sa labas.
Red ball.
Red ball, ref, red ball. Let's get back to the final moment of season 4.
Dalawa.
Final moments and final quarter. Robert, rebound pass to Denver. Denver pass to Robert. Denver for 3. Over. Still recovered by Denver. Pass to Robert. Pass to Joe. Joe pass to Denver. Denver again for 3. Rebound by 5. Pass to Joe and out of bounds. Ball in favor of Team Beach. As for rebound pass to Brian. Brian to the ball.
Sab.
Brian for 3. Over. Over Foxy. Pass back to Owen. Owen for 3. Bang! 3 points for Owen School. Denver, the ball is in Denver. Pass to Joe.
Sab.
Substitution left.
Para dapat ka na.
Sub. Offensive foul by Jonathan.
Traveling.
Traveling lang. Ay. Darren pass to Brian. Brian for 3. Over. Ay, short. Ball is over by Jericho. And the ball is in favor of Team Red. Pass to Denver. Denver pass to Glenn, the transporter. No good. The ball is still in the front. Pass to Denver, Denver for 2. No good. The ball is and there's a foul.
Second personal foul, first team
Second
foul.
personal foul, first team foul. Two free throws coming from front. First one, Denver. Second free throw. Ref, upper my shoot, substitution ref. Rebound by Robert. And there's a foul. Sub for both teams.
29, second personal foul.
Second personal foul for number 29. 10 for 3. No good. Recovered by Joe. Recovered by Moon. Moon pass to Joe. Pass to Jericho. Jericho for 2. No good. Recovered by Frank. And there's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Number 13. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Frank, rebound pass to Darren. Pass to Brian. Brian to the ball. Looking for steal. Good pass. And the ball is still in favor of Team Beach.
8 seconds shot
8 seconds time to shoot. 8 seconds shot clock. Pass to Frank. Frank for 3. No good. Rebound by Robert. Robert going to the other side. With the fake. With the left. And it's blocked. And there's a foul. Second personal foul for Brian Potter, second team foul. 2 free throws coming up for Robert Lahara. First ball.
It's good. Di ano, shoot niya. Good ball.
Second ball is good. And who's in favor? Frank pass to Oscar for 3. No good. Rebound again. And the ball is still in favor of Team Beach. Timeout, Team Red.
Sino maglamang dyan ng 5? Panalo na. Last 4 minutes.
The score is time. Special shout out to our referees, Jerome and Oscar.
Dapat pinasok na yun si Paner. Hindi na Paner. Baka di pinapag-defense si Paner.
Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds of the last quarter. Who's gonna take the win? Ponce pass to Joel, pass to Brian. Pass to Joel. Joel for 3. Robert, Robert Jericho. Ball for Robert. Robert for 2.
Dalawa. Timeout kayo?
Brian for 3. Robert, pass to Jennifer Tamayo. Pass to Robert. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Mo for 3. Robert.
5 seconds shot clock.
5 seconds shot clock. Go. 1. No good. What's the foul, ref? Foul number 11. Third personal foul. Timeout, Team Red.
Third personal, 13 foul. Third personal, 13 foul.
Third personal foul for you and third team foul for Team Red. Score 28 against 27. Change favor. Team Beach is leading by 1.
Ano foul team sa red?
Tatlo.
Dalawa.
Once again, pass to Brian. Brian to the ball. Brian for 3. Robert, Robert got it. Rebound by Robert. Robert to the ball. And there's a foul.
Tatlo pa lang.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
First personal foul for us for the team foul. Red ball. Last 3 minutes of the final quarter. Move for 3. Jacob for the rebound. And there's a foul. Foul number 29.
Third personal foul, warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Two free throws coming up for Jennifer Tamayo. First one. Yes, good. Second throw.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. And there's a foul. Foul number 28.
Third.
Third personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Both warning for penalty.
Both warning for penalty, Brian giving it back.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. And it's back! Ball for the end! Ball for the other side! Ay! Ball pass to Smith! Oh! Slow ball down! Pass to front! Foul, there it is! Block! Pass to Benson! Benson for two! Morgan! Steve Alexander! And it's taken! Ball is still in favor of Team H. 13 seconds to shoot for Team H.
13.
Asper, imbang pass to Frank. Frank Wilson. For 11 number foul. Foul by Jericho Tamayo.
Sino foul?
56. Team red. Sure. 56.
Stop.
Ilang fouls na?
Penalty na. Third pa lang si ano.
Third personal foul.
Penalty na sila.
Ilang bagong penalty na? Ano? Isa na lang. Penalty na rin kayo.
Warning para sa warning. Penalty na itong pula.
Penalty na kami, no?
Oh.
If na-foul,
First goal for Francia. Yes, go.
Kung ma-shoot, time out kayo, hindi.
Second goal. Second round, no goal. Overhead now. Ball is in favor of Team Red. One more? Lane violation. Yeah, extra free throw.
Entering two zone.
Entering two zone is not allowed. Extra free throw for Frank. Where is that? Robert. The ball is in the hands of Robert. Last 1 minute to be exact on the final quarter. Jericho! 55 seconds remaining. Not counted.
Sino foul?
Who's loud? 56, fourth personal foul, penalty.
Pagpasok, time out. Basket.
Red, kapag pasok, time out. Team Red. No, Team Red. Grabe si Mini Red, nagkakadaka dyan. Second row. Time out.
Ilang time out nila?
Isa, ito, wala na.
Team Red, you are out of timeouts. Team Beige, you have one timeout left. Robert.
14 seconds.
14 sila, 14.
14 ha. Penalty na.
14.
Wala na. Di ba?
Di, penalty na sila.
One foul sugi pa
Apat
kayo.
na sila, apat na.
One foul sugi pa kayo.
Hindi sila, di ba last na sila?
Apat na sila.
Di ba po, one foul sugi pa sila. One foul sugi.
Lagi dito, teka lang. Apat na sila eh.
Apat nga, warning, di ba?
Pwede pag mapaw, penalty na.
Let's not forward. Hindi makita.
Foul. Number 11.
Who's foul?
Number 11.
Number 11.
Fourth personal foul.
4 personal foul. Penalty. Two free throws only for Morris upper stop. First one is good.
Wala na. Oy, sir.
Guys, please grab the court. Second row. Shot. $39 seconds. 39 seconds. Pass to Robert.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Grabe, alert ba? Alert.
Time out.
Seconds ha, 12 seconds.
12 seconds remaining.
Wala na timeout ba?
No timeouts for both teams.
Time out.
Who's going to win in 12 seconds? Ball in favor of Team Beach.
Video mo kasi buzzer beater ka lang, mga buzzer beater. Mag-review na. Mag-review.
Pass to Robert. 5 seconds. And off the ball game. Overtime, guys. Overtime. Hindi pa tapos. Overtime. Overtime, guys. Overtime. Overtime, guys. Overtime. 32 against 32 in favor of Macor Fronterisan. Special shout out to Ted, Chad, and Ken. Sana natalo kayo sa ML. Natalo pa sa basket, talo pa sa ML. Continuous ang foul, ha?
Stop watch.
Puro kayo magkapitan.
Oh, di. White. White.
Napalit mo ba yun?
Pag fourth quarter, red ball. Tapos walang jump ball. Di, white.
Okay, bench ball.
Bench ball.
Continuous ang penalty nyo, coach, ha?
Ano to? Stopwatch pa rin?
Oo, stopwatch yan.
Matuyok na. Dili, sa ubos.
Front. Pass to Marquez. 2 points for Marquez. Robert, pass to Jacob, to Raven. Front pass to Baran. For 3 goal goal, Robert Jacob, pass to Robert, pass to Joe. Ball and it's blocked. Ball in favor of team bench. Morris going to the other side. Morris pass to Ponce for 2. Timeout team.
Winston! Oscar!
Sandali amin.
Wala kasing, inako sa yung cord. Yung cord. May cord. May cord.
What happened? Contact lens? Contact lens? Contact lens, check. Front, wala? Isa. Uy! Mixi talaga siya.
Winston!
Oscar! Asa isang core daw? Isa lang eh. Mapang-pang ang mic ko.
May cord ko. Ito.
Ha? Mamaya daw yung raffle.
Para sa?
Sa mic. Hindi ko siya.
Ito, raffle? Pass down.
Okay na, nakita mo.
Ay, go back. 1 minute.
Delay lang mo win.
Low.
Kailangan ng charge sa solution. Sige, go.
Okay, nakita ba? Yung contact lens, wala? Wala?
Wala, penalty na yun.
Points in action, Glenn for 3, Robert. Amir for 2. Hey! 2 points for Amir. Pass to Frank. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Shot clock 5 seconds.
Tumama.
Pass to Robert. Last 24 seconds. Glenn for 3, Robert. 10 seconds.
Foul, Lahara, number 14. Penalty.
Fourth personal foul for Lahara.
Penalty.
Penalty.
12 seconds.
12 seconds time remaining. First foul.
Wala.
No timeouts, no timeouts.
Ten. 5.
Second place, Team Red. Brian Redemption Team is here. Score. 13 against 34. In favor of Team H. Your champions, Caesar Paul.
Final si Sir. Si Frank. Akala ko mag-picture pa kayo. Season niya. Pero si Rocky Super. Rocky Super. Frank. Sino pa rin sa video?
Finals number 3. Number 3. Oh, Sia.
Sino pa rin? Siya din?
Again, Sia.
Ibahin nyo kasi.
Para sa akin, si Sia. Pero gumanda yung laro.
Si Darren.
Darren.
Season MVP yun eh.
Si Darren.
Darren. Ang Sia.
Finals.
Finals kayo mag-decide.
Si Darren nga.
Darren.
Closer yung tira na.
Coach, mythical tatlo sa bench, dalawa sa red. Ikaw na pumili. Red, picture!